Hi! Did you know that an old computer power supply can be turned into a real micro-soldering iron that runs on just 6 or 12 volts? Yes, a simple diode-based soldering iron that you can easily build at home. So make sure to watch this video until the end. It's going to be interesting. First, we'll need 2 diodes, which can be easily salvaged from an old power supply. Most commonly, you'll find 1N4007 diodes, and they work perfectly for this project. Other diode types can also be used, but before that, it's important to do some basic calculations to determine the required current and voltage. Why does this matter? Because different solder alloys melt at different temperatures, and we need our soldering iron to reach the right heat level without overheating. For the body, standard wire terminal clamps work great. However, the metal contact must be separated from the plastic insulation. At high temperatures, the plastic can melt, and we simply don't need it. By slightly expanding the clamp, we create a perfect mounting slot for the 2 diodes. Here's a critical detail. The diodes must be installed in opposite directions. Pay close attention to the stripe on each diode, which indicates its polarity. Once installed, we firmly clamp everything together so the diodes are pressed as tightly as possible. This is essential because good mechanical contact ensures efficient heat transfer to the soldering tip. Speaking of the tip, it should be made of copper. You can easily extract copper wire from a single-core electrical cable, or even use a thin copper capillary tube from an old refrigerator or air conditioner. Copper transfers heat extremely well and holds solder nicely at the tip, making it ideal for a DIY micro-soldering iron. For comfortable use, I chose a clamp similar to a Wago connector, a Chinese copy. It's perfect here. You can connect power directly while the body remains cool, making it safe and comfortable to hold. The result is a compact, lightweight, and highly practical tool that fits easily into a toolbox. You can even keep it in your car and power it directly from a battery or cigarette lighter in emergency situations. This tiny soldering iron can save you almost anywhere. It's so small that it could practically fit in your wallet, and that's why it absolutely deserves a top spot among the best DIY projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so YouTube won't miss any of my new videos for you. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye-bye.